What is required to get an abandoned vehicle title in Tennessee? Have you found an abandoned vehicle in Tennessee and wondered, can I get a title for this car, and how does the process actually work? You're not alone. Tennessee's abandoned vehicle laws can be confusing, and one wrong step can cost you time, money, or even legal trouble. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to get an abandoned vehicle title in Tennessee, who is legally allowed to apply, what documents you need, and what to do if the vehicle is on your property. What counts as an abandoned vehicle in Tennessee? In Tennessee, a vehicle is generally considered abandoned if it has been left unattended without permission for an extended period of time. Depending on location, on public roads, vehicles can usually be towed after 48 to 72 hours. On private property, a vehicle may be considered abandoned after 30 days. However, ownership does not automatically transfer just because a car is left behind. The question is, who can apply for an abandoned vehicle title? This part is critical. Private individuals cannot directly apply for an abandoned vehicle title in Tennessee. Only the following are legally allowed to report abandoned vehicles and apply for titles: law enforcement agencies, licensed towing companies. If you're a private citizen, your role is to report the vehicle, not claim it. If you find an abandoned vehicle, your first step is to contact your local law enforcement agency, or the Tennessee Department of Revenue, DOR, Vehicle Services Division. Law enforcement will check if the vehicle is stolen, verify ownership records, determine the next legal steps. This protects you from liability and legal issues. Here's the official step-by-step process once the vehicle is legally eligible. Step 1. Vehicle inspection. The vehicle must be inspected at a state-approved inspection station. Step 2. Proof of ownership. This may include lien paperwork, towing authorization, or legal possession documentation. Step 3. Gather required documents. These may include odometer disclosure, lien release forms, tow forms signed by law enforcement. Step 4. Complete the application. Fill out Form RVF 1317074, Application for Certificate of Title for a vehicle acquired by lien foreclosure, estate, or abandoned. Step 5. Pay required fees. Submit your application at the county clerk's office with payment. Step 6. Receive your title. If approved, the new title is usually mailed within 30 days. If you want to take ownership of an abandoned vehicle, you must notify law enforcement, ownership must be verified, any liens must be cleared, legal paperwork must be completed through the county clerk. You cannot simply claim the car, even if it's on your property. Can you take ownership of an abandoned vehicle on your property number? Tennessee law does not allow property owners to claim abandoned vehicles themselves. What you can do: report the vehicle, document damage, let authorities handle removal and title processing. Trying to claim it yourself may result in fines or legal penalties. Bill of sale and no title. What's allowed? Can you get a title with a bill of sale? Yes, but only if the seller provides proof of ownership and all legal requirements are met. Can you register a car with a bill of sale and no title? No. Tennessee requires a valid title to register a vehicle. If no title exists, you may need a duplicate title or a bonded title process. Tennessee vehicle title and storage laws. Tennessee does hold vehicle titles through the Department of Revenue. Titles are required for cars, motorcycles, trailers, boats, and RVs. Vehicles left unattended too long may be towed at the owner's expense. Always check local county rules, as enforcement timelines can vary. Getting an abandoned vehicle title in Tennessee is possible, but only if you follow the law carefully. Report the vehicle, let authorities verify ownership, complete the correct forms, never skip legal steps. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below with your situation. I reply to questions and make follow-up videos.